Hi! In front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, tap on this gear next to clipboard instead. Following that, you need to click on voice typing and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on now visible microphone. Lastly, choose while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!